everyone, welcome to A Square Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss part 2 of partial fractions. Already we continue of part 1. So in part 1 discussed about linear and non-repeated factors. So first method, that is nothing but like this here. Some more problems are there. So we are doing some problems now. Then after we go to next second method, linear and repeated factors of g of x. Okay, we will do some problems of rule number 1. Then after we go to next second rule. Okay, so see here, based on first rule, 3x by x minus 1 into x minus b, that equals to 2 by x minus a plus x minus b. Then that implies a is to b value how much? First option is 2 is to 1, second one is minus 2 is to 1, third one is 1 is to 2, and fourth one is minus 1 is to 3. Okay, so see here, how to find out? See here, 3x divided by x minus a into x minus b is there. So a by x minus a plus b by x minus b. Okay, b by x minus b. So a equals to here 2 is there and b equals to 1 is there. So here partial fractions are in the form of a by x minus a plus b by x minus b, that is. Okay, so here a value is given here, that is nothing but how to get here a value? We are substituting except x minus a, except x minus a. Then after, in place of x we substitute a. Okay, x equals to a. Then what we get here? So here a value is nothing but 2. So 2 equals to we write here 3 into a divided by a minus b we get here. A minus b we get here. So that implies what we get here? So 2 into a minus b, that is 2a minus 2b, that equals to 3 into a, 3a. Okay, so 3a minus 2a, that is nothing but minus 2b is equals to 3a minus 2a. So minus 2b equals to a we get here. Minus 2b equals to a. So that means here a is to b is nothing but minus 2 is equals to a by b we write here. A by b. That implies a is to b is equals to minus 2 is to 1. So that is nothing but minus 2 by 1 is equals to a by b. So minus 2 is to 1 is the answer. So second option is the right answer. Okay, ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏ వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఏమన్నాడు కాబట్టి ఏ కామా బి వాల్యూస్ కాబట్టి ఇవి డినామినేటర్లో వాల్యూస్. ఇవి మనకు పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్లో వీటిని ఏమని చూస్తామంటే కామన్ అయితే ఏ కామా బి అని తీసుకుంటాం, ఏబిసి క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్స్ తీసుకుంటాం. సో దిస్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఎక్సెప్ట్ దిస్ వాల్యూ, అంటే ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఏ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్గా మనకు ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య రిలేషన్ వస్తుంది, ఏ కామా బి మధ్య రిలేషన్. సో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ minus 2b equals to a we got here. Then after b take this side we get here a by b we get here. A by b is equals to minus 2 by 1. Clear? So a is to b is equals to minus 2 is to 1 we get here. So second option is the right answer. Okay, this is also belongs to first method. Right, next second question, x by x plus a into x plus b, that equals to 1 over k into a upon x plus a minus b upon x plus b. Then k value how much? So first one is nothing but a minus b, second option is a plus b, third one is ab, fourth one is 1. So see here also same method we are follow. So what is that method here? See here, x by x plus a into x plus b, that equals to a by k, that is nothing but a by k of x plus a minus b by k of x plus b. X plus b we take here. Okay, so see here a by k is there, a by k value, that is nothing but a by k is equals to a by k equals to, put x equals to minus a except this value. So we leave it this one, remaining x by x plus b, ఈ remaining value లో x equals to minus a substitute చేస్తే, so minus a by minus a plus b we get here, minus a plus b. So that implies what we get here, a ones are a, so we get here 1 by k is equals to minus 1 by minus a plus b. Okay, so what we get here, so minus take common, what we get here, 1 by k is equals to 1 by a minus b we get here, 1 by a minus b. So that implies k equals to what we get here, k equals to a minus b we get here. So k value is nothing but a minus b, so that is first option. Okay, so that is the first option, right answer. But next third question, x square plus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 x minus 3, that equals to a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. Then a plus c equals to how much? First option is nothing but 6, second one is minus 6, third one is 8, fourth one is minus 8. So 4 options are given here. See here, same as usual, we find out here a plus c, we find out only a plus c, a plus c, clear? So a and c values, a and c values we find out here. So put x equals to 1 in this case and put x equals to 3, then we get a comma c values. Okay, so put x equals to 1, that implies a equals to what we get here, except this value remaining we have x square plus x plus 1 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3 is there. So we substitute in place of x 1, then what we get here, 1 plus 1 plus 1 we get here, 1 square is nothing but 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 divided by minus 1 into minus 1 plus 2. So a value 3 by 2 we get here. Okay, next put x equals to 3, that implies c value. What you get here, except this value, so remaining we have x square plus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2, this one into this one is there. So we substitute these two values here. In these two values what we get here, 3 square 9 plus 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 2, 3 minus 2 1. So 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 3 13 by 2, 13 by 2 we get here. So what we get, what we find out here, a plus c we find out here, a plus c, that equals to 3 by 2 plus 13 by 2, that is nothing but 13 plus 3 16 by 2, 2 ones are 2 8s are, so a plus c equals to 8 we get here. So that is nothing but third option. Okay, so we find out here b value also. How to find out b value, x equals to 2, that implies what we get here, except this value remaining we have x minus 1 into x minus 3, so we substitute here, what we get here, x equals to 2, 2 square 4 plus 2 plus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1. Okay, so what we get here, 4 plus 2 plus 1 7 divided by minus 1, so that is nothing but minus 7 is the value of b. So minus 7 value b, clear? Right, next question, fourth one. So in this method, last question this is. Now next question is nothing but 1 by 1 minus x into 1 minus 2x into 1 minus 3x, that equals to a by 1 minus x plus b by 1 minus 2x plus c by 1 minus 3x. Then a by 1 plus b by 3 plus c by 5 is equals to how much? So first option is nothing but 1 by 3, second one is 4 by 3, third one is 9 by 10, fourth one is 1 by 15. So see here we find out the value of a, put x equals to 1. So that implies a equals to what we get here. So here only except this value remaining we have 1 by 1 minus 2x into 1 minus 3x. So 1 by 1 minus 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. So 1 minus 3 into 1 is nothing but 3. So what we get here? So 1 by 1 minus 2 is nothing but minus 1. 1 minus 3 minus 2. So we get here 1 by 2. A equals to 1 by 2 we got here. Next, put x equals to 1 minus 2x is there. Next one. So 1 minus 2x is nothing but, so x equals to what we get here? 1 minus 2x equals 0. Then 1 minus 2x equals 0. So 1 equals to 2x. X equals to 2, take this side. So 1 by 2. X equals to 1 by 2 we get here. So put x equals to 1 by 2. That implies b equals to, we get here 1 by, except this value we have 1 minus x into 1 minus 3x is there. So 1 minus x into 1 minus 3x. 1 minus x into 1 minus 3x. So here 1 minus x is there, here 1 minus 3x is there. So we substitute that value. What we get here? 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1 by 2, 3 by 2. So 1 minus 3 by 2 we get here. So 1 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay, 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So 1 minus 3 by 2, that is nothing but 2 into 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 2 we get here. Minus 1 by 2. So what we get here? 1 by minus into plus minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So this is nothing but take a numerator value, that is minus 4 we get here. So b equals to minus 4. Next, put x equals to 1 by 3. Here last one is 1 minus 3x is there. So x equals to, we get here 1 by 3. Then c equals to 1 by, except this value we have remaining two values. This one. So these two values are there. 1 minus x into 1 minus 2x. So what we get here? 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus 2 by 3. 2 into 1 by 3 is nothing but 2 by 3. So 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3 is nothing but 3 into 1, 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. So 3 into 1, 3 minus 2, that is nothing but 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 by 9 we get here, that is nothing but 9 by 2 we get here. So a value 1 by 2, b value minus 4, c value 9 by 2 we get here. So we find out the value of this one. A by 1 plus b by 3 plus c by 5. Okay, we substitute here. A by 1, what is a? 1 by 2 by 1 is nothing but 1 by 2 we get here. Okay, next plus b by 3. B, what is b? Minus 4 by 3 we get here. Okay, b value minus 4 and by 3, so that is minus 4 by 3. Plus c value 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 by 5, that is nothing but 9 by 2 into 5, that is 10. 9 by 10 we get here. Okay, so take LCM. What we get here? 30 is the LCM. Okay, so 2 15s are 3 10s are 10 into 4 40. 10 3s are, so 3 into 9 27 we get here. So 27 plus 15, that is nothing but 42. 42 minus 40, that is 2 by 30 we get here. 2 by 30. So that is 2 1s are 2 15s are, so 1 by 15 we get here. So 1 by 15 is the answer. So that will be fourth option is the right answer. Okay, next now go to second method, linear and repeated factors of g of x. Linear and repeated factors of g of x. So in this case, two types of problems are exist here. Like this here, first one is nothing but 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 1 whole cube. అంటే x minus 1 అనేది 3 times రిపీట్ అవుతుందని ఇక్కడ తెలుస్తుంది మనకు ఆటోమేటిక్గా. సో నెక్స్ట్ సి ఇయర్, నెక్స్ట్ మెథడ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ x స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ x ప్లస్ 1 డివైడ్ బై x ప్లస్ 1 ఇంటూ x మైనస్ 1 హోల్ స్క్వేర్. అంటే ఇక్కడ రిపీటెడ్, నాన్ రిపీటెడ్ అండ్ రిపీటెడ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఆల్సో ఎగ్జిస్ట్ హియర్. సో బోత్ ఆర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ హియర్. దిస్ ఈజ్ నాన్ రిపీటెడ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ x ప్లస్ 1, x minus 1 whole square is there. So this is repeated factor. Here only repeated factor exists here. So both are belongs to second method. So how to find out C here? First of all, actual method is nothing but how to write C here. So for factors, partial fractions of given fraction, I will write here a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x minus 1 whole cube. We write like this here. అంటే సింగిల్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఉండి అది రిపీటెడ్ సో మెనీ టైమ్స్ అంటే ఇలా రాస్తాం. అంటే క్యూబ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి హోల్ పవర్ 3 వరకు తీసుకున్నాం. 3 వేరియబుల్స్ ఏ కామ బి కామ సి తీసుకున్నాం. 4 ఉందనుకోండి, హోల్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 4 ఉంటే 4 వేరియబుల్స్ వి టేక్ హియర్. 5 ఉంటే 5 అంటే ఏన్ ఉంటే ఏన్ తీసుకుంటాం. ఎట్లా అంటే ఇప్పుడు 4 ఉంది, హోల్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 4 ఉంటే ఏ బి సి డి తీసుకుంటాం. అలా క్లియర్. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి సి హియర్. So this is nothing but non-repeated factor. We have to write now previous method a by x plus 1. A by x plus 1 plus b by, so here repeated 2 times here. That's why we write here b by x minus 1 plus c by x minus 1 whole square we write here. So this is the difference between these two factors of g of x. Clear? అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకు అర్థం కావాలి ఫస్ట్ ఈ మెథడ్లో ఉంటే ఎలా రాస్తున్నాం, ఈ మెథడ్లో ఎలా ఉంటే ఎలా రాస్తున్నాం అనేది అర్థమైపోయి ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి ఏ కామ బి కామ సి వాల్యూస్ అనేది చూద్దాం. ఓకే, అంటే ఫస్ట్ మనకు ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ రాయడం వస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఆ వాల్యూస్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఆల్రెడీ మనకు క్వశ్చన్స్ లోపల ఇప్పుడు ఇలా ఇస్తే ఫ్యాక్టర్స్లో ఇస్తే నో ప్రాబ్లం, డైరెక్ట్ మనం ఏ కామ బి కామ సి వాల్యూస్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే మనకు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. క్లియర్? సి హౌ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఫర్ దిస్ వన్. సి so here repeated factor 3 times, only single factor is there that is repeated 2 or more times. So how to find out c here? First of all, c here you find out the value of c. అంటే రైట్ నుంచి లెఫ్ట్ కావాలి, c తర్వాత b తర్వాత a కి వస్తుంది ఇలా. ఓకే, వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ c put x equals to 1, that implies c equals to we get here. So x minus 1 already is there, x minus 1 whole cube. So x minus 1 whole cube is deleted. So except that value we have, there is no values here. So only numerator value is there. We substitute only in numerator. And the numerator lo substitute automatically 2 into 1 plus 3. So that is 2 plus 3, that equals to 5. So we got here c value 5. C value direct manaku 5 vachestadi. Clear? So then after we find out the value of b. Okay, how to find out c here? Again put x equals to 1, but here b equals to, I will let c here. So 3 is there. Clear? Here 2 is there. Clear? So 3 minus 2, that is nothing but 1 factorial. So 1 by 3 minus 2 factorial I will write here. So 1 by 3 minus 2 factorial. Okay, so that is nothing but 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1. So that's why we find out here d by dx, derivative with respect to x. Okay, d by dx of this one. So 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. So what we get here? 1 by 1 factorial into derivative of this one is nothing but 2. So here there is no x value. That's why b value is nothing but 2 by 1 factorial is nothing but 2. So that implies b equals to 2 we get here. Okay, x equals to 1, then after a equals to, how to find out c here? Here 3 by 1 by 3 minus 2 factorial, 3 minus 2 is there, 3 minus 2 factorial we write here. So 3 by 1, so here 1 is there, so what we write now? 1 by 3 minus 1 factorial. 1 by 3 minus 1 factorial into 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2, so d square by dx square of 2x plus 3 we find out here. Okay, so what we get here? 1 by 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2 factorial. So derivative of 2 times. Okay, 2 times derivative of this one is nothing but 1 time is nothing but 2. So 2 times we are derivating that one, that will be equals to 0 we get here. So that is nothing but 0 by 2 factorial is nothing but 0. So that's why a equals to 0 we get here. So a equals to 0, b equals to 2 and c equals to 5 we got here. So that is nothing but 0 by something 0. Next b value 2. So 2 by x minus 1 whole square. C value 5. 5 by x minus 1 whole cube we get here. So what are the partial fractions here? 2 by x minus 1 whole square plus 5 by x minus 1 whole cube. Okay. So next we go to second problem, see here. So same here, x plus 1 is there, x plus 1. So how to write here? In the finding of a, put x equals to minus 1. That implies a equals what we get here, except this value. So remaining what we get here? So remaining these two values are there. We substituting x equals to minus 1 in these two cases. What we get here? Minus 1 whole square is nothing but 1. Minus of minus 1 is nothing but plus 1. Plus 1 divided by minus 1 minus 2 whole square, that is 4. Okay. So what we get here? 3 by 4 we get here. So a value 3 by 4 we got here. Okay. So then after, in these two cases here, so repeated factors are exist here, x minus 1 whole square. So same method we follow here, like this. So how to find out here? First of all, we find out here right to left here, right to left. It's clear. So we find out the value of c. That's why again we take here x equals to 1. Put x equals to 1. Then c equals to what we get here? Except this value, we have these two values. So in these two values we substitute here x equals to 1. Then what we get here? 1 minus 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 is nothing but we get here. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel. We get here 1 by 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. So we got here c value 1 by 2. So we find out the value of b. How to find out b? See here. Again put x equals to 1. So b equals to, here power is 2 is there. So here 1 is there. So 1 by 2 minus 1 factorial we write here. 2 minus 1 factorial into d by 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. So d by dx, only one derivative of these two values we take here. So that means here x square minus x plus 1 by x plus 1. X plus 1. Clear? So b value 1 by 2 minus 1 factorial is nothing but 1 factorial is 1 into derivative of this one. So u by v method. But directly also we write here by using, already we find out this value in quadratic equation also. So ఇది మనకు ఆల్రెడీ క్వాడ్రిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్లో కూడా మనకు ఎంసెట్లో ఎలా చేయాలి, ఎలా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలని కూడా చేసినాం మనం. ఒకసారి ట్రై చేయండి. అంటే రేంజ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసేటప్పుడు రేంజ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్లో దీని యొక్క వాల్యూని మనం డెరివేటివ్ చేసినాము. డైరెక్ట్గా ఎలా చేస్తాం చూడండి. సో u by v method is nothing but x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square. So here there is no x square term here. That's why 0 into x square we take here. So this one into this one, ad minus bc, like this here. So 1 into x square we get here. 1 into, right, next plus 2x into 1 into 1, 1 minus 0 into 1, 0. So 1 minus 0 is nothing but 1 we get here. Plus minus 1 into 1, minus 1, minus 1 into 1, minus 1. So what we get here? X square plus 2x minus 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square we get here. Now we substitute here x equals to 1 again. X equals to 1. So what we get here? b equals to 1 square is nothing but 1 plus 2 minus 2 by 1 plus 1, 2 square we get here. So minus 2 plus 2 cancel, we get here 1 by 2 square is nothing but 1 by 4. So b value 1 by 4, c value 1 by 2, a value 3 by 4. We find out the values of a comma b comma c also. Clear? So a is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 of x plus 1 plus b 3 by 4 of x minus 1 plus c 1 by 2 of x minus 1 whole square. So these are the partial fractions for repeated factors of g of x. So ఇక్కడ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అనిపిస్తే గిట్ట d by dx of u by v మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేసి కూడా చేయొచ్చు. మనకు వాల్యూ సేమ్ ఇదే వస్తుంది, x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2x మైనస్ 2 బై x ప్లస్ 1 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ వస్తుంది. లేదు ఇంకా డౌట్ ఉంది అనుకుంటే మనకు ఆల్రెడీ రేంజ్ మీద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్నీ కూడా మ్యాక్సిమం ఇలాగే చేసినాం క్వాడ్రిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్లో. మీకు ఒకవేళ ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇక్కడ కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఇక్కడ డౌట్ ఉన్నట్టయితే మీరు ఫస్ట్ ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఇక్కడ చేయడం ఈజీ అవుతుంది. కావాలంటే ఆ లింక్ని డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో కానీ లేదంటే ఐకార్డ్స్లో కానీ వదిలేయడం జరుగుతుంది. చూడండి, అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఓకే.